What's your name?
My name is Tom.
Tom. Hey, Tom. Okay, Tom, are you ready for your final test?
Yes.
And we're going to blend some words together, okay? High five. Okay, here we go. Can you tell me what letter is this?
Oh, oh, oh.
Okay, letter. And this one?
D, d, d.
Good job.
B.
Very good.
O.
Oh,
I.
that's good.
U.
Mm.
W.
Okay.
Hot.
Hot, amazing.
Mad.
Good job, man.
Rat.
Rat.
Dig.
Big.
Web.
Web, amazing.
Fast.
Fast.
Long.
Long, so long.
Pie.
Oh, yummy.
Real. Real.
Reef.
Frog.
Frog.
Clock.
Good job.
Paint.
Paint, yes.
Bun. Boon. Boon.
Room.
Broom.
High five. You're doing great. Now, I want you to do some reading. Can you choose which one do you like? Okay. Are you ready? Here we go. Let's turn it to page 1. Okay. Go.
The Kiss Band.
Good job. You're doing great.
Kevin brings the drum. Helen has a hair bell.
Wow.
Jovi has the gong. Tekla pat the tom-tom.
Okay, you're doing great.
The net trumps the sings.
Okay.
Just can sing and tap the sticks.
Good job.
Bang bang, click click, ding dong, sing.
Good.
Stop.
Good job. Wow.
The kids do not stop.
Oh, wow, you're doing great. You did a good job. You're a star. High five. Goodbye.
Goodbye.